Okay, here's a few hints on how to remove these decals. I'm getting ready to put some more on. I like the old, but the new kind of matches my hood wrap colors a little better. So I've been asked, what's a good way to take them off? The easiest way I found is with a heat gun. Now, you don't want to get up real close to it. You can use a regular house hair dryer. Basically, you just turn it on, apply some heat. Now you want to keep back away from them because these heat guns do get hot. But you apply some heat to them. Once you apply a little heat, turn the heat gun off, set her down, and they should pull right off. 99% of the adhesive will come with it too. Might need to wipe it down a little bit. That's about it. And just that easy. Bam. Gone.